slapping in the August heat. Boot tracks dusted through the hall, bottle sweating on the kitchen table. Your shadow leaning on the wall. You laugh too loud and fade to quiet, like thunder rolling out on the plain. That amber burn inside your coffee cup always called the rain. It was whiskey and rain in that old house again. Warm for a minute, then cold in the end. Glass on the counter, storm on the pane. Your fire in a bottle of sky's dark stain. I learned young how a man can drown in things he swears will ease the pain. All that false warmth in your shaking hands in the long, hard fall rain. Back road gravel under pickup tires. Your headlights cutting through the dark. I'd watch the porch light through the window screen, like a lone and stubborn spark. Moma'd fold the silence careful, like a letter she never would send. While clouds build slow beyond the tree line and roll back in again. Warm for a minute, then cold in the end. Glass on the counter, storm on the pane. Your fire in a bottle, the sky's long refrain. I learned young how a man can drown in things he swears will ease the pain. All that false warmth in your shaking hands and the long, hard fall of rain. Till the whole house falls. Some end when a man just walks away. It was whiskey and rain in that old house again. Warm for a minute, then cold in the end. Glass on the counter, storm on the pane. Your fire in a bottle, the sky's long refrain. I carry the lessons, not the chains. Let the thunder fade away. No whiskey tonight, just the sound of